How to change your Netflix profile to a grown-up profile. Now, Netflix does not allow you to directly switch to a kid's profile into a normal profile. However, there are two easy workarounds that you can use. The first method is to delete the kid's profile and create a new normal profile. First, open the Netflix app, tap on Edit, select the kids profile, then tap Delete Profile. This removes the kids profile permanently. Next, you want to create a new profile. For that, tap Add Profile, enter a name. Do not turn on the kids profile switch. Your new profile will now be a normal adult profile. Next is transfer the kids profile activity to a new adult profile. Use this if the kids profile has important viewing history. For this, open netflix.com in a browser, tap on the three lines menu, go to Account, scroll down and find Turn on Profile Transfers. Netflix recently added this feature. Turn on Profile Transfers. Next, transfer the kid's profile to a new normal profile by following the on-screen prompts. After the transfer, you can safely delete the kid's profile. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.